Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Sharia Sanjay Snigdor, Department of Computing and Information System, ID 2531601, Daffodil International University. Today I am going to present my semester project for the course Structured Programming with Lab. The title of my project is Student Management System developed using the C programming language. The main object of this project is to automate the process of managing student records such as roll, number, name, department, and CGPA. In many institutions, student data is managed manually, which is time consuming and error prone. So the system is provides a simple, fast, and accurate digital solution to manage student information efficiently. Um, Tools and programming languages. This project is developed using the C programming language following the principle of structured programming language. Here I use structures, arrays, functions, and control statements as well as file handling. The program is tested using code blocks and online GDB, and GCC compiler is used. Modules and functionalities. The system is divided into multiple modules for better organization. It includes features such as add student, view student, search by role, name, and department. Users can also update student information, delete records, and sort data based on roll number, CGPA, and name in both ascending and descending order. Each feature is implemented using separate function, which makes the code modular, easy to understand. Here is my source code. For better resolution or for better understanding, I'm taking you guys into my code blocks. Basically, here is the main source code of this project. If I explain, this is that firstly I use three library function and three library header function, that is studio, std, lib, and string.h. Here, sorry. First, a structure named student is used to store data like roll, name, department, and CGPA. An array of structure is used so that multiple student records can be stored efficiently. Basically, this will help managing multiple attributes for each student in an organized way, that I have added in there. And in main function and main system is there, that I will choice and then data will load data, then it will show or print all of these. Then user have to choose. A switch case statement is used to call different functions based on the user's choice, such as add, search, update, or delete student records. In this section, data will load from file. Here mainly this is the file handling or permanent storage, you can say. The system uses file handling to store data permanently, and then load data means reads student records from a text file when the program starts. The file name is students.txt, and save data to file. Save data means that this function writes updated records back to the file, so that this ensures that student data is not lost after the program termination. If I close the program, by this my data will be saved and fully organized. Then I added a lot of function, that is add student function, where it takes input from the users and stores it in a structured way. Then search function as view student, that's search student by role, name, or department. Enter role to search, then enter name, or lastly enter department to search all of these. And then update student. Update function means that modifies existing student information. And lastly, if I see, that is delete student. And delete student means delete function. It basically works like that: removes a student record and shifts remaining data. Each task is handled by a separate function which follows modular programming principle. And lastly is sorting function. Sorting, basically multiple sorting functions are implemented to arrange students by roll number, by CGPA, by name, and all our sorting is done in both ascending and descending order, which improves data readability and usability. Here is that short GPA, short CGPA descending, and short name to A to Z as well as Z to A. That's all the program, and basically the source code. And now we will run each and every program, each and every menu. Okay, let's run it. Here is the menu section. If I add some of couple of students, that is, if I enter one, I have to enter role such as 2 5. Here I added 4 students, and now BU student, that is 2. I have to choose 2 and then enter. Here is our student list. 1 2 3 4 student and their CGPA, name, depth, as well as. And now I will search them by role. For search them by role, I have to choose 3, and now I have to write the type that role, say to say 22, and that's the information of 22. Snigdho, Department of CS, and then CG is that. And if I search by name, that is 4, and name is Snigdho, and we get all the information of Snigdho. And again, if I search by department, I have to choose 5, and then department name, triple E, its reason, you get it. And if I want to update any information of a student, I have to choose 6, uh, 6, and then role to update role, 24, in the new name, email, new department is ICE, CGPA 3.67. Student updated successfully. And if I want to delete a student, so I have to choose 7, and I have to also input the role, and the role, say to say 23. Yes, the record not found. Records not found because I didn't give that any kind of 23. I just said 20, 21, 22, and 24. That's why the result is showing that record not found. Okay, we'll try again. That's 7. Choose to delete 24. Here is deleted successfully. 24 deleted successfully. If we see that it's worked well or not, we have to go to yes. 24 is deleted now. And now if we want to sort them by role, we have to type or choose 8. They are sorted by their role, 20, 21, 22. And if we want to that in descending, we have to choose 9. And yes, that is 22, 21, and 20. And if we want to them sort by CGPA and in an ascending way, we have to choose 10. Here it is. 3.7 in 3.85 and 3.89. It's an ascending order, and if you want it in descending order, we have to type that 11. Yes, here you get it, that is descending. And last two is that sort by name A to Z. If you want to sort them, sort their name A to Z, we have to choose 12. And here is that N, R, and then S. And then lastly, if you want to sort their name in Z to A order, we have to choose 13 of them. And here it is, S, R, N. That's the descending or Z to A order. And lastly, if you want to exit the program, we have to choose 1 4. And yeah, that's that. We entered from the program, and that's all of our program. And thank you everyone for watching this project explanation video. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.